Hi my dear friends, this is Rayan. You are watching HSE Expert channel. Friends, today our topic is HSE Management System and its elements. Friends, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and also activate notification tab. Then only you will get notification when we upload HSE related videos. Thank you. Let us start video now. Friends, we will define here first what is HSE Management System. HSE Management System is a comprehensive framework used by organization in preventing, mitigating and eliminating disruptions and losses caused by workplace accidents, risk and hazard exposure and environmental phenomena. Further, an HSE management system is key to monitoring and organizations' compliance with relevant laws and standards. Friends, we will discuss here about all HSE management system elements. There are 8 elements in HSE management system. First one is leadership and commitment. Second one is policy and strategic objectives. Third one is organization resources and competency. Fourth one is risk evaluation and management. Fifth, planning standards and procedures. Sixth, implementation and monitoring. Seventh, audit. Eighth one is management review. My dear friends, here we will discuss each element in briefly one by one for your simple understanding. First one is leadership and commitment. Friends, these HSE elements address the top-down leadership and commitment to create the company culture necessary for success in the systematic management of HSE. Friends, in this element, leadership visibility and proactive targets are main consideration. If you go through leadership visibility, for example, participation in HSE walkthrough, investigations and conducting campaigns, also carry out HSE meetings, taking feedback from workforce, reviewing safe system of work, spending time with the workers in the field and a demonstrate duty of care. This is one of the best way to build trust, provide on-spot decisions for critical HSE and welfare issues, share lesson learned of any serious incidents occurs at other sites. And second one is proactive targets, KPI setting. For example, 100% induction and job specific trainings, 100% compliance of PPEs, 100% reporting unsafe acts, unsafe conditions, near miss and LSR violations, 100% implementation of HSE assurance programs, maintain HSE passport at site, awareness and campaign on associated hazards, near miss reporting, LSRs, recognizing the good performers and apply consequence management for violators. Second one is policy and strategic objectives. The health and safety policy of an organization is an important legal document that set out the organization's aims with regards to health and safety, explains who is responsible for achieving these aims and how the aims are to be achieved. Friends, HSE policy is one of the primary document all organizations should have in place. It set out the health and safety objectives, responsibilities and arrangements. Having a good HSE policy delivers many benefits, including clear communication of health and safety management. It is also a legal requirement by many health and safety acts and regulations. Friends, there are 3 main sections in HSE policy. First one is statement of intent, second one is organization section, and third one is arrangement section. Third one is organization resources and competence. Friends, in these HSE elements address the organization of people, resources and the competence required of sound HSE performance. Structured organization which clearly define roles and responsibilities and accountability to deliver its planned objectives. Organization chart with reporting line linked to corporate HSE, also in line with scope of work. Provide adequate resources like human and fund, a right person for right job. Selection process like previous track record, competency of people, safety awareness. HSE training matrix in line with scope of work. Fourth one is risk evaluation and management. These HSEMS elements address the identification, evaluation and management of HSE hazards and evaluation of HSE risk for all activities, product and services, and also development of measures to reduce this risk. In risk evaluation, hazard identification and taking control measures are main components. Friends, there are 2 types of risk assessment. One is qualitative risk assessment and the second one is quantitative risk assessment. Fifth element is planning standards and procedures. Friends, before performing the activity, we have to plan the activity, then accordingly we will set the standards and will perform the activity according to the approved procedures. Plan for communication through HSE meetings, awareness, campaign, on-site training. HSE equipment such as fire extinguishers, fire hydrant system, fire detector systems, all such equipments need to be inspected so that it is available in functional condition during emergency. Emergency response plan. Waste management plan works on 3R like reduce, reuse, recycle. Welfare management plan. Accommodation, food, water, health and safety, transportation, recreation, payment, leaves. Equipment maintenance. Preventive and periodic maintenance scheduled with tracking mechanism. Short service employees. Managing risk associated with newcomers in the site activity through audits and review. Sixth one is implementation and monitoring. This HSEMS element addresses the manner in which activities are to be performed, monitored and corrective actions to be taken when necessary. For implementation and monitoring, examples like site inspections, HSE training plans, non-compliance and corrective actions, performance monitoring and records, incident reporting and follow-up for key performance indicators. Seventh element is HSE audit. An HSE audit program shall be in place to review and verify effectiveness of the management system. It shall include audited by auditors independent of the process or facility audited. It is a planned, systematic and critical evaluation of the health and safety management system by a competent person. It will identify weakness and suggest changes in the health and safety management system, implementation process or in the setting of inadequate or unrealistic targets. Friends, after auditing, the result of the audit will guide on what to do the next if the outcomes show lapse in the HSE management system. Friends, there are two types of HSE audit. One is internal HSE audit and second one is external audit. Internal HSE audit, that is normally performed by internal team to evaluate current status and effectiveness of management system. External audit, it is second type of audit which is usually conducted by the third party certifying body and insurance company. Eighth one is management review. Friends, here management shall regularly review the suitability and effectiveness of health and safety management system. Every HSE management system need to be reviewed to verify that current goals are being met and new initiatives are being put in place. A review of your management system and team by senior leadership should be conducted on a regular basis. This keeps staff and the system accountable and presents the opportunity for discussion between safety personnel